call ko and I have another 20 minutes before the next one. I need matcha. Walang outside. I know. Make use of what we have. Wow, look at the color. Bumili ko ng matcha shaker from Matcha Besties Club. Kasi ayaw kong dalhin yung mga matcha kit, mga chasen ko baka mabasag siya. Sayang naman. One full spoon. Not gonna use hot water kasi magkakaroon ng pressure pag chinig natin siya. So let's just use this. Hanggang saan? Now let's shake. It's not wiwi, it's matcha. Oh, nga. I want 3. Sorry, guys. Take 2, take 2. May live audience kasi. Wow! Sarap. Try mo.
Sarap dyan. Tamis.
Sarap. Sarap.